As the array name is a base address, I just want to give you various tricky ways of using array name as a pointer. When I say array name as a pointer, it means that I'm going to use the asterisk with the array name to play with it. Let me declare a numeric array. I'll say int arr is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let me say cout arr. Let's run this. So this is showing the base address. Now when you say ptr, it means value stored at a specific location. So what if I say arr? Let's try that. I'll say cout star arr. Let's run this. So this displays 1. As discussed in the previous lectures, that array name is the base address, or in other words, it is also a pointer storing the address. So if I say cout star arr plus 0, then this will refer to the 0th element only. How? Because arr is the address and adding a value to it will give the address of the next location. Now let me put a loop and display the array, but with this syntax. I will say for, I'll declare a counter variable I less than 5 and I plus plus. And inside I'll say cout star arr plus I. Now let's run the code, and as you can see that it displays all the values. So either I say ARR of 0 or I say ARR, or I can say ARR plus 0. It's all the same. Similarly, ARR of 1 or star ARR plus 1 is also the same. It's really important that you're clear with this concept for the forthcoming lectures.